Hey everybody, welcome to another Moose Made video. This will be a short one today. So, today we're going to take this old grill and we're going to trade it out for a nice new one. This one's cracked and broken and just, worn with time. And so, we're going to trade up. So, let's get started. Got the hood popped. Easy peasy. Punch. On up. Not too bad. We got four little screws, bolts that hold it in place. Let's go ahead and take that out. That's one. That's two. That's the third one, and there is my fourth one. All right, easy peasy. We're going to set these aside. No problem. Now this, the top of this grill is plastic, so keep that in mind. If you lean on it, it would break if it's valuable. You want to break yours. Mine's already broken, so I'm not really worried about it. So that's that. Now, if we take our new one out, and look at this. Oh, that is great. Woo, shiny. Look at that. You see the 4 bolt holes there, 3, 4, and you see it's plastic. Now if we look at how it's connected on the bottom, you see there's 2 little tabs here, like that and like that, which means on the inside of the bumper cover, it connects. I don't know if you can see that there. You got a little tab, and a tab. You can look at it from that way. Connects like so, okay? And then it will go into place. So what we're gonna do is here, in order to access that, I'm going to pull out my lower grill here, which just clip into place. There's 2 little clips in place, and sometimes this one comes out. This one, and it just goes into the little hole, and it goes into the bumper there, and that's it. This piece easy peasy removal. Now if you reach on up, you can feel the ridge and then the clip. And yeah, there it is. And there's one on this side. Now, I said mine's broken, so I'm not really concerned about it. So I'm just gonna pull it out. Slide it out, just like that. Wow, look at that. There's a beautiful Bosch dual tone horn, and you can see the oil cooler and the condenser and the, wow, look at that, that's nice. Okay, now that we've got it out, I'm inclined to believe it's as easy as remove and replace. Let's take our new one. Yeah, we got 2 little tabs. Now this one I don't want to break, unlike the old one. There's 2 little ridges here, 1, 2, on the bumper. I guess I'm just going to go ahead and try to line that up. And then, I'm guessing, this just slides forward. Yeah, so you wiggle it forward and I bet it'll snap into place. I wonder if I use a little pressure from behind, so if I reach down here. Yeah, there we go. That's lined up. That's lined up. Pull that, slide that forward. Little by little, working on both sides. Oh, there's the click. And this side. There's the click. All right. Well, heck, that is in. That is in. All right. Now let's see here. Let's go ahead and replace our bolts. There's a 1, 2, and 3, 4 are in place, and then all we do is just go ahead and snug them down. I don't imagine they need to be all too tight because it is plastic, so I don't want to do it too tight. It just needs to be a little snug. And 2, 3, 4. There we go. I think we are in, just like that. New face, Mercedes. And let's not forget, our lower grill. Find the little clips. Snap and snap. There we go. It's in. Fantastic. Here, look at this. All right. There we go. Nice. How is that? There we go. New grill for the 2008 Mercedes SL550. Thanks for joining me. And as always, feel free to hit that subscribe and smash that like button. I like it. I thought it was great. Thank you. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.